Number 5. Leopard. The leopard is a living member of the Panthera genus of big cats. In terms of climbing ability, it is one of the most powerful wild cats. With a geographical range that includes sub-Saharan Africa and parts of Asia. Indeed, the leopard is the most powerful cat for climbing because, when compared to the stocky jaguar with its powerful jaws, the leopard's sleek body and climbing abilities make it the best climber. Its muscular, long hind legs enable it to carry prey twice its own weight up a tree and jump 7 times its own body weight. The leopard is not only a skilled fighter and hunter, but also more agile than other big cats. The average weight is 110 to 200 pounds, 50 to 90 kilograms. Number 4. Jaguar. Jaguars are amazing animals that can be found in wetlands and tropical and subtropical forests in parts of Central and South America. These slender and powerful felines are territorial in nature and hence very protective of their boundaries. Jaguars hunt in a distinctive and secret way. These stalk and pounce cats will ambush the prey, quietly lurking for their potential meal before striking a deadly jump. Jaguars, unlike most felines, do not attack the prey's neck. Instead, they bite their prey by the head, piercing their skull with a dreadful 1500 psi bite force. The male jaguar, which is larger than the female, can weigh between 220 and 350 pounds, 100 to 160 kilograms. Number 3. Lion. Despite their nickname Kings of the Jungle, lions are ranked 3rd among the strongest big cats. Lions are typically found in the savannas of sub-Saharan Africa. They weigh around 600 pounds, 272 kilograms. Lions, unlike other feline species, do not prefer to live alone. Instead, they live in groups known as prides. The members of the pride come and go, and the most powerful lion rules the group with force. Some of the most well-known characteristics of these cats include night vision, sharp teeth, muscular bodies, a keen sense of smell, large manes, and terrifying roars. Their distinct hunting style enables them to take down animals 3 times their size. Usually the females are the ones in charge of hunting, since they are proven to be more proficient hunters. Number 2. Tiger. The tiger is endangered throughout its range. The Siberian weighs up to 300 kilograms, 660 pounds. Tigers have beautiful, dark, nearly black vertical stripes that give them a bright reddish tan color. They are highly adaptable animals that can survive in a variety of environments. This fierce predator has a solitary nature, and it is extremely territorial, defining its realm boundaries by spraying urine around it. The Siberian tiger prefers to hunt at night because it has exceptional night vision. Given the chance and a lack of food, tigers will attack bears. Tigers will wait in the bushes once they have located their prey and then slowly approach. They will pounce on their prey and deliver a fatal bite once they are close enough. Number 1. Liger. Because they are the world's toughest big cats, ligers can wear a crown. They come as a mixture of a female tiger and a male lion, and are only found in captivity as they are man-made hybrids. Compared to their parents, ligers are typically heavier and larger. The largest ligers typically weigh more than 900 pounds, 400 kilograms, although there are reports of some individuals weighing 2,200 pounds, 1,000 kilograms. These big cat hybrids are faster than both of their parents and have incredible strength and power. Ligers are capable of running at speeds of 50 to 60 miles per hour. The unfortunate fact that male ligers are sterile means that they can only be found in zoos and animal sanctuaries. These hybrid cats would be among the most vicious and deadly predators in any habitat given their size, strength, and social behavior.